I'm going to show you how to register in Snap-on Student Excellence Program, Palomar College Digital Technology. You go to Snap-on Student Excellence Program. It says click on the image below to register. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're just clicking on this image. And it takes us to the official website. In the top right corner, the button register. And pay attention, we're going here if we're not registered yet. All right. Fill out this information: first name, last name, email. Use your student email, cell phone, address, zip code, city, state. State of technical school campus. We're talking about Palomar College, so it's California. And in here, obviously, we find Palomar College. Education account manager name. Once you put on your Palomar College here, it automatically gives us the person who's our education account manager. Current instructor's name, put on your current instructor's name. In my case, that would be Sergio Hernandez. Then your graduation date. It says if you don't know the exact date, it will just default to last day of month. Your student ID. Are you currently employed? Do you use hand tools or power tools at work? Most of you probably do. Promotional texts or emails, it's up to you. Press I accept terms and agreement. You put your username, put your password. Password must have 8 to 6 characters, 1 letter, 1 number, 1 special character, meaning like exclamation mark. And then you press this register button, and that's it. After that, you're just waiting for a confirmation email, and you become a part of the program. So good luck with the process.